Welcome everyone, this is episode 14 and let's see how to apply pictures in your CAD file or in your 2D elevation. To begin with, once your 2D elevations are prepared, you may want to include reference images. Let's explore how to do that. Now go to the folder where you've saved the picture you want to add, and simply drag it into the AutoCAD file. It will come this way. Just slowly drag the mouse, and ratio your picture accordingly. Now that your picture is set, either you can keep it with this picture or you can scale the picture. And it's done. Now you are ready to show the reference images. Want to know how to do this or this? Let's see how to add pictures to your elevation. Firstly, take the picture aside. And now let's add a part of the picture to my elevation. Firstly, take the size of the object where you want to add the picture, and it's important that you first copy the image and save it to the other side. Why? You will know it later. Now take the part of the object where picture will be added and place it in the picture. You can scale the picture if the area you want to place it in is larger than the image itself. And set your object in your picture. Now take the cutout part first and then click on it. And then click it to the image and click enter. And boom, you get your pictured object. Now you know why I told to copy the image. Move the cutout part to your elevation and done. Now again copy the picture. Keep at least 2 to 3 images to cut, use and copy. And that's how it's all done. Thank you for watching.